Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and increase your Cash App limit. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To increase your Cash App limits, you must verify your account by providing your full legal name, the last four digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. This can increase your weekly sending limit to 7,500 and provide an unlimited receiving limit from the basic limit, which is of $250 per week for sending and $1,000 a month for receiving. I hope this video made it. In order to go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and open your Cash App application, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to accounts and settings and tap on it, and tap on limits to see your current sending, receiving, other limits. To increase your limit, you will need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number, and then enter the required information into the app to complete the verification. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.